up, YouTube? This is Dead Man Indigo here for Dead Man Indigo Airsoft, and today I'll be reviewing the WE M194 or the 1911 gas blowback. Alright, so you got pretty good options on this gun. You can either run green gas mags or CO2 mags. So I think that was pretty cool. I would prefer the CO2 mags. CO2 is not only cheaper, but it's also more reliable than green gas is at lower dew points. And it doesn't affect the gun as bad as CO2 does when the dew point is too low. I mean, green gas, sorry. But now, I got this gun for $55 on Airsoft Megastore. And it has a bolt lock and release. So when this is engaged, it doesn't, the slide can't come back, and it's pretty much locked in place. And it has a squeeze safety, so you have to squeeze that to pull the trigger. And it's a full blowback, but surprisingly gas efficient. Here, I'm gonna show you. So yeah, it fired a full mag. Mag's completely empty now. And now the gas is out because these are the same mags that I was using, the same CO2 cartridges I was using at Operation Apocalypse. Now it's out. Yeah, and keep in mind that these were the same gas mags, CO2 mags I was using during Operation Apocalypse, and I was using these same mags the entire day, like shooting this thing nonstop, and kept the same mags in, and they were still firing really well. So this thing is surprisingly gas efficient, and that is a breath of fresh air to me, since this is a full blowback, and it's a WE. I didn't expect them to make a gun of this quality. Now keep in mind that this is a bit loose, but I mean it's not bad for the amount you pay for it. And overall, it's a pretty good gun. So yeah, play safe, play hard, have fun, and I will see you on the field.